and in this lecture I would like to talk about the line charts. This data basically shows the continuous data, like continuous radio data, because you see the dates are in continuous range 1995, 2000, 2005, 1525. So it shows a continuous data and it will be connected with the line. So that's why the name is also the line chart. Now, how we can do the line chart is that it's very simple, the same like previously what we used to do with the column charts. So here you go in the insert menu, here you see these lines. If you just hover over this as well, you can find that yes, this is a line chart. You see the name here, select it, and you have the different options of the line chart. First is the simple line chart, where you see the blue one is the Delhi, the orange one is the Sydney, and then we have the London. So this is the population data. Now of course, if it's not making much sense, then we can change the data as well. Like we can change the map, we can change the chart, and see there are others where we can see the points, like yes, this is where it's changing. And of course we have a 3 line chart as well. I don't know why, but yet it does not make any sense, but yes, you should know this. Then we have an area chart. Now in the area chart, it does not make so much sense in this side, but in area chart what happens is within below the chart you see the shaded portion, so this is the area where we are seeing. Now if you see this one is the 100%. So if you go to the 100% one, now you can see how the area which is the maximum, where is the maximum population, where is the least population. So now 100% makes some sort of sense in this data. Then we have the 3D area as well, where you can see that yes, how it's working. It does not make sense over here as well. But if you have the 100%, then yes, you can see how the data is working on there. So yes, so this is what the line chart is, and this is what the line chart is used for, like the continuous data. So thank you, hope you liked it.